In today's video, I'm going to be talking about perfuming your home. You guys know how much I love fragrances, and I'll be telling you and sharing some of my favorite candles that I love to use to add scent and perfume to my house. So I'm going to talk about some of my most loved candles from the White Company. So let's start off with this one here. I'm actually matching this candle, aren't I? When I first bought this candle, it just smelled like a perfume to me, and that's what I loved about it. It had this unique perfume scent, so my house would just smell so beautiful. This candle has notes of pear, quince and amber. There's some apple notes also in here, and it smells fresh, clean. It smells like your autumn harvest. And again, the colour of the bow just suits that autumnal colour. I think this is wonderful to have in your house, especially now. It's just really nice, perfect for the fall. It just smells really lovely. It smells crisp and clean and a little bit fresh, and I think this is nice for this season. I have to say the autumn candle is so hard to find if you're looking for the Botanical candle, and what I love, you can see it does have like a bit of like the golden leaves in there, and then you've got some sliced fruits as well. So this is the medium-sized Botanical candle, and this will cost £28 from the White Company. And what I love is when the center melts down in the middle, you are left with the wax on the outside and all the fruits as well. And as the candle gradually goes down, you get a glow from the candle and it lights up all the fruits in the inside. It's really nice and cozy. If you're a perfume and candle lover like myself, you will love this fragrance. It just smells like a perfume for your house. And that's what I love about these candles. I like to invest in really nice candles that's going to add the right ambience to the room and also fill my house with the sweetest perfumes you can dream of, and this is one of them. So that's my autumn candle. Next, I bought another candle for this time of year, and this is a candle I love to enjoy in October and November, and this is the Fireside. This has a smoky, woody scent. It has warm, sweet vanilla, amber in here as well, and some birch. It smells smoky initially, but you're left with like a deep vanilla. Oh guys, this is so beautiful. Just smelling this now, it just smells smoky. I feel like it's bonfire night. I'm at a campfire drinking tea or roasting marshmallows. I do love it for that. This one has, and you can see also in this design, you've got like some woody sticks and some pretty autumn, like dark red leaves in here. So it's really pretty. I have the fragrance oil, and that will scent my room for the whole day, and even the following day I can still get that woody vanilla. I love the bow here. I love this platinum grey colour here. I think it just adds a finishing touch to that smoky vibe that you'll get from this candle. This is creamy, this is vanilla, this is so beautiful, and it looks wonderful on your display table. That's my Fireside. I love this one. I do have my small glass candle here as well. So this is something I would either put maybe in the bathroom or kitchen. So that's really pretty here. And then you can use these glass containers after. So I love that. And I also have the Fireside, which is wrapped up nicely for a gift. I'm thinking of gifting this to a friend of mine. And yeah, this is really beautiful. Again, it's just a miniature version, but this one is set into glass. So that's really pretty. And I like to keep the smaller versions in the kitchen. They do scent the room, guys, which I do love. The Fireside collection is one of my favorite perfumes for the house. So adding perfume to my house is something that is very therapeutic for me. It's calming, and it adds a certain type of elegance to your home and space. So I also bought the fragrance oil, and this oil you can use with their diffuser, and you can just add a few drops of this oil and you're receiving a really strong smell throughout the whole house. The Fireside is complementary to the candle. It's smoky, it's vanilla, it's sweet, it's creamy. Beautiful perfume for the house. If you love wearing perfumes and you want your house to be perfumed, then this is something that I love. This is something that is very seasonal. I would use this fragrance throughout the whole month of October and November. You can actually use this as well for Christmas time because you've got that whole smoky woods and vanilla going on. This fragrance oil does match the Christmas period also, but I love it now, especially when it's bonfire night, which is celebrated in November, and you're outside enjoying the beautiful local displays and it's so beautiful, especially in the city, because the city glows really nicely. So yes, I do love Fireside. Guys, definitely try this. I think the Fireside smells really nice in your drawing rooms or your sitting room or lounge. And to be honest, I would have this more towards the entrance of your garden. So if you were planning like a little get together in the garden, perhaps you're dining outside that evening, or you have some guests, you're going to entertain them around the fire pit, I would have this burning in the room before you get to the gardens, so that it already gives you that impression that you are out in a beautiful bonfire, and it's cozy and warm and sweet. So that's a little trick that you can do. So that's my Fireside Fragrance Oil. I try and buy these as soon as I can. I'm going to link everything down below for you guys. But this is so beautiful. Like I said to you guys, this smells like perfume. The pear, fresh notes. It's really pretty. When I saw that this was the only candle, then I just had to grab it. I bought it immediately. I would have bought more than one if I could. But this is just so beautiful. So yes, guys, don't miss out on that. It's just so stunning. If you have candles on display, then I recommend several trays for your candles to set on. I have two here. This is my marble tray, which is really pretty. It has a little bit of a shimmer sparkle in there. You can see a bit of a shimmer there, and it's a really pretty marble. So I normally use this for the diffusers or for the smaller candles. So this is ideal for your reed diffusers that you can just place on the tray there. And that just looks so pretty, really nice. Or you can also use this one here for your candles as well. You can put like a small candle here. So that's going to protect your work surface as well. I'm going to unbox my ceramic tray because I bought another one. That's my ceramic tray. During the autumn, I use a lot more candles, so I bought a second tray. So now I can have a selection of candles. It might be Fireside in the living room, and it might be the autumn candle in the day room. So I really do love it for that. And let's open this up. So this is the plate that I have here, and it's designed to fit the medium botanical candles, which I have right here. That's my second plate there, and I think that's just going to be so nice with my candles for the home. How beautiful. Oh, just to add all that perfume, guys. I'm so looking forward to autumn, honestly. I look forward to it. So I've got a selection of trays here. Two of the medium, and I've got one small one, but that's for my diffuser. I am thinking of getting another diffuser from the White Company, which I'm thinking it might be the autumn. Hopefully they have the autumn reed diffusers left. So I'm going to have a look out for one of those. Maybe I'll go tonight and have a look. I have one more unboxing to do. And this is a glass jar that I bought. So let me share this with you. This is the lid, and I bought the large jar. So I put that there. And then, and inside this well-wrapped box, we've got the glass jar. And this is to replace a glass jar that I had from Laura Ashley Home, which I absolutely love, but it was a little bit too small. And I replaced it with this one here, and this is, guys, this is huge. This is so big, wow. So I've bought that to sort of organize all my toiletries. Yeah, I'm going to use this one more for like cotton and things like that. Even some perfume samples I might put in here, or some miniature soaps, something really pretty. So that's the large jar, and this one I paid, I'm not sure the price, but I will link all the prices down below for you guys. I'll link everything down below. But this is really beautiful. This is really lovely. I just like how sleek and clean and minimalistic. I do love that. So that's going to look really nice when I fill it up. And I bought one more item from this haul, and this is just a soft towel. And this shade is called Soft Grey. So I just bought a guest towel as well to add to the bathroom. So the next fragrance oil I have is the Calm Fragrance Oil. This adds a beautiful perfume to your bedroom. If you're looking for something that is soothing and relaxing, I would use this in the day room or a sitting room as well, because this does smell quite relaxed. You can use it in the mornings, or if you're settling down, unwinding after a long busy day, then a few drops of oil of this into your diffuser. and let this fill up the room. And whilst it's filling up, have your shower or have your bath, and then go back to retire to your bedroom or the lounge, and then just relax. We have notes of juniper, clary sage, ylang-ylang. We also have tonka bean and sandalwood and geranium in here. This is peaceful and comforting. It's a really nice essential oil to add to your room. So this one, yeah, this is really nice. It smells like you're in the spa. A little bit fresh and green with the geranium, but you've got tonka bean in here, which is quite creamy. So that's another perfume oil I have for my room. I call them perfume oils, but they are just fragrance oils. I've only bought one, but I might go ahead and buy a few more of these because I think they're just really nice and elegant and classy. Just really neat and clean to put in the home. They do have a taller version as well, so I might buy the taller version for my second jar. It's that one. I have my diffuser on one side, and then I would put my oil on the marble tray just to protect it so that it's not going directly on your marble surfaces or your oak surfaces, nothing wooden, because oils can destroy your surface, so just be mindful of that. So I normally keep it on this little tray just to keep it safe from destroying my surfaces. So that's that one there. I do love that. If I want to deliver a fragrance throughout my house like quickly, then I'm going to use my diffuser. The diffuser that I have, I'm going to link it down below, and I think they should still stock this. And this diffuser, you just add some water into a reservoir, a few drops of oil is all you need, but instantly the room is scented. You don't have to wait for the candle wax to melt down in order to receive the perfume. So I do like it that way. But if I want a slow release of a perfume or fragrance in my home, then I would use candles. That adds to the ambience, and it also adds that comforting touch with some light as well. So it just depends on what you're looking for. So you could use a reed diffuser in a place like a study, or you could use it in a library, you could use it in the bathroom, because you're not always in those spaces. You go in there for a short period of time. Whereas in my lounge bedroom, that means I'm going to forever smell the scent of a reed diffuser. And sometimes I like to change up the scent. So I change up my scents throughout the season. So right now we're in autumn, so everything I've bought now is my autumn collection, and I like to change it maybe here and there. I do have reed diffusers in the kitchen sometimes because it just adds this feel that you've already been cooking, and I don't cook that much. I used to, but I don't cook as much now. So once I have a reed diffuser in my kitchen, it makes me feel like I'm cooking. So I have something that's quite fruity, or something that mimics the scent of cooking. So yeah, I normally have those in my kitchen. It's just comforting. And yeah, and then in the bedroom as well, I like something that's quite soft. So I may not put a reed diffuser in my bedroom because I don't always like to have that strong scent going through my bedroom the whole day. It's nice to add a scent and take it away. I think ventilation is always very important, guys. Like, don't suffocate yourself with too many scents. Allow your airways to be free. So I do, when I light candles, I do try and open the windows at some point and just allow everything to circulate, so we're not keeping in too many fumes. That's just something that I do, that I just think for me it's just more of a logical way of thinking personally. It's just to allow everything to circulate and be clean and fresh. So that's how I set my room, that's how I perfume my whole house. I hope you enjoyed my collection today. A very small haul for you guys. If you're not from England, then the White Company is your homeware store, but it's luxury, it is beautiful, simplistic, elegant, minimalistic as well. They have fashion pieces there. They have a children's range, which is so adorable. They have things for your bedroom. So they have beautiful linens, they have silks and really nice cottons as well. Then they have a homeware section, so everything for the kitchen up to the bathroom. It's clean, classy, minimalistic. If that's your style, let me know what you like. I'm interested to know. So yes, my darlings, that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching today, and I'm wishing you a wonderful day, my darlings. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.